Hello, I've got another eBay delivery here. Something I thought I would not need. Or I thought I would never need something like this. Now this is very well packed. It's a tiny 20, a tiny mini disc holder that holds 20 mini discs. A couple of little scratches on there, might be able to polish those out. It's got rubber feet on it. Couple little marks, but it's probably about 20 years old, probably more than that now. Feels like the top might come off. Yeah, there's a broken bit there. So my mini disc, where I've finished all my playlists, I've now got a whole box full of mini discs which I can choose music from. Probably about, what's there, 10, 20, 40, over 100, but I've still got some extra mini discs which won't fit in the box, so hence buying this. So let's grab a couple and we'll slot them in and see what they look like. Okay, so I've got a couple of different types of mini discs to put in there. These Maxell ones and these Denon ones. So I suppose the Denon ones would have to fit in that way, and that's where you'd put your label. I think that's the way you're supposed to do it. So you'd normally you'd put the labels on the inlay card. You label it up like that, but you could also label it up by putting the labels on the base of the CD there, or the top, yeah, the base of the CD. And then you could have put them in that way, I guess. I don't think I like that as much. Let's try. As you know me, I don't like labels. The only labels I have are like it's adhesive labels like that. So we can have it round that way. Or around this way, which I can see a problem putting them in this way. You put them in head first, you put them in feet first. But doing it that way, it's quite difficult to see which disc is in there without labels. So putting them in that way doesn't look quite as neat, but you can see the disc. So what do you think? What looks neater and what is more practical? That looks neater, obviously, but I don't have labels on my discs. But I do know roughly what type of disc and what colour of disc each playlist is on. And I've got a list of them anyway, so I can look them up. But I think that will be easier for me to see which disc is which when they're in the box, in the storage rack. So I'll have to have a little play with that. But these aren't the actual discs, which will probably be in there eventually. But hopefully, with this 20 storage unit and the other big box I've got, that should be enough for all of my playlists. And if you've got any suggestions for me, then please let me know. Thanks for watching.